A very good morning to my students of 9th and 10th grade. This is assignment number 3 for your preparation of the exams. So in this assignment we will discuss the pending question answers of the chapter Old Man at the Bridge. In the previous assignment we discussed the story of the old man at the bridge. In this story we discussed that there was an old man, he was sitting on the pontoon bridge, and there was a narrator who wants that the old man must leave that place, but the old man does not want to leave that place. Old man want to stay there because he don't want to leave his animals behind. So that was the story which we discussed earlier. So in this assignment we will start with passage third. Passage third. First question of that passage. Why does the old man worry about what? What does the old man worry about? Why? ओल्ड मैन किस चीज के लिए चिंता कर रहा था और क्यों? यस, टेल मी, व्हाट डज द ओल्ड मैन वरी अबाउट? ओल्ड मैन वाज वरी अबाउट द सेफ्टी ऑफ हिज एनिमल्स. एंड नेक्स्ट इज व्हाई? बिकॉज he left his home, native town, due to the artillery, okay, or due to the Spanish Civil War. Next is second question. How does the narrator try to console the old man? Does it affect the old man in positive or next question? What did a narrator urge the old man? Did he accept his advice? Both questions are the same, so answer will be same, beta. The old man is worried about the fate of his animals. He can't get rid of the thought of safety of animals. उसको बार बार यही बात परेशान कर रही थी कि वो अपने एनिमल्स को छोड़ के आया है और उनकी सेफ्टी को लेके वो चिंता में था. दिस गिव्स हिम डिप्रेशन. इसी की वजह से वो डिप्रेशन में था. व्हेन ही टेल्स द सोल्जर अबाउट हिज एनिमल्स, ही इज अनेबल टू स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट देम. दिस लीड हिम टू डिप्रेशन. जब वो बात करता है बार बार उसे बताता है, ओके, ओल्ड मैन बार बार यही बात रिपीट कर रहा है कि वो अपने एनिमल्स छोड़ के आया उनकी किस्मत के ऊपर, और तब सोल्जर उसे कहता है कि कोई बात नहीं है, ये उनकी किस्मत है, आप आगे बढ़ो. यही बात जो है उसको डिप्रेशन में लेके जाती है. तो इन द एंड वी कैन से दैट इट डजंट हैव एनी positive effect on the old man. Next is, why is the old man not worried about the pigeons? Why is he less worried about the cats? Old man pigeon के लिए वरी क्यों नहीं था? कैट के लिए कम वरिड क्यों था? ओके, और सबसे ज्यादा वरिड किसके लिए था? गॉड्स के लिए. बेटा, पिजन ही नो दैट ही लीव द केज ऑफ द पिजन अनलॉक्ड. उसने जो केज है, जो उनका पिंजरा, उसको लॉक नहीं किया था, खुला था. तो पिजन कैन फ्लाई वेरी इजिली. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, कैट नो हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ हरसेल्फ. कैट को पता है कि कैसे अपनी केयर करनी है. कैट बहुत जल्दी क्लाइंब कर जाती है, इसकी स्पीड भी बहुत फास्ट होती है. सो शी कैन सर्वाइव इजली. These two things are that he is not worried about his pigeon and less worried about the cat. Next question is, why does the old man express his worry about two gods? The old man expressed his worry about the two gods. The gods, unlike the pigeon, cannot fly or cannot take care of themselves like cats. गॉड्स के लिए क्यों वरीड है वो? क्योंकि उसको पता है कि वो फ्लाई नहीं कर सकती और वो इतनी एक्टिव नहीं है कि वो क्लाइंब कर सके. ओके, सो ही इज मोर वरीड अबाउट द गॉड्स. गॉड्स यहाँ पे बेटा रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है कॉमन पीपल को. ओके, कैट रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है इंडिपेंडेंट पीपल को एंड पिजन फॉर द पर्सन्स दोज वांट पीस. नेक्स्ट इज पैसेज फोर्थ. Passage fourth, which starts from if you are rested, it would go, and ended at the I was only taking care of animals. बच्चे, keep one thing in your mind that in your examination there will be a full passage, and just like in 8th standard you had done extract. In the same way, there will be one passage, but this time the questions will be related with only the passage, not with the full chapter. Keep it in your mind. What did the narrator urge the old man? Did he accept his advice? We already discussed this question in the passage number 3rd. Okay? नरेटर ने क्या अर्ज किया था? नरेटर ने अर्ज किया था कि आप ये छोड़ के चले जाओ ये ब्रिज, लेकिन ओल्ड मैन ने उसकी एडवाइस जो है वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं की थी. उसने खुद को फेट के हवाले कर दिया था, किस्मत पे छोड़ दिया था. व्हाई डिड द ओल्ड मैन थैंक द नरेटर? ओल्ड मैन ने नरेटर का थैंक क्यों किया? द नरेटर वॉज कंसर्न्ड अबाउट हिज सेफ्टी. क्योंकि नरेटर जो है उसकी सेफ्टी के बारे में सोच रहा था. उसको बोल रहा था कि अगर उससे चला नहीं जा रहा, देन टेक अ राइड ऑन द ट्रक एंड गो टू अनदर प्लेस. बच्चे, नेक्स्ट इज अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज why did the old man sit down again in the dust? What light does his action throw on his character? ओल्ड मैन वापस डस्ट में क्यों बैठ गया था जबकि नरेटर उससे बोल रहा था कि ट्रक पे भी जा सकता है? तो बच्चे, इसके दो इफेक्ट्स हैं. फर्स्ट वन, ही इज अनएबल टू वॉक. ही इज 75 years old and he walked further for the 12 miles, and now due to his tiredness he can't walk. He is unhealthy. He is not physically fit. And another thing is that as he left his animals on their fate, he also left himself for the fate. Next question is, why did the old man feel dull and sad? Dull and sad. Why did he feel? Because he left his animals due to the artillery. Next question is, why did the old man say, I was only taking care of animals? Explain. So bachcha, this is very simple thing. He was only taking care of his animals because he don't have any family member. So first thing is, he is only the person who is going to taking care of his animals, and another thing is that he don't have any family. So he considered these animals just like his family, just like his kids. That's why he feeling very difficulty to leave them behind. So बच्चे, next we will discuss set 1. In set 1, question 1. How does Hemingway deal with the theme of depression, resignation and impending death in the story Old Man at the Bridge? So how does he deal? Depression, the old man shows the depression. Old man जो है वो डिप्रेशन में है. Why is in the depression? Because he left his animals, his dear ones left behind, and resignation. He left his animals on their fate and also sit on the Panton Bridge and leave himself for his own destiny. And next is impending death. As he knows that his animals, just like gods, they can't survive without him. They can't take care of themselves. Same thing is, he is also while sitting on the side of the bridge, he waits for the death. That is impending. That will come compulsory. Let's read the answer. The story Old Man at the Bridge deals with the theme of depression, resignation and impending death. The old man who engages himself in conversation with the soldier in a fatalistic tone of the story, who is resigned to his fate as a casual or as a victim of the war. When the soldier, who is concerned about the safety of the old man and tells him to walk up to the road and catch a ride on the truck to somewhere else, he tells him that he is an old man of 76 and is too tired to go further. So he resigns himself to the fate, that is resignation. Then the soldier reflects that he is sure to be killed by the enemies at the bridge. That is the symbol of impending death. Next person. In this story, Hemingway used a lot of metaphors and symbols explaining them. The story abundance in metaphors and symbols. बहुत सारे हैं metaphors and symbols, but we will discuss few one. First thing is the bridge, that is Panton, means floating and not in a safe situation, so that is the symbol of danger. Second one are the gods, those are the symbol of peace. Pigeons, that are the symbol of peace. Third one, goats, those are the symbol of men and women who are suffering from the war. And third one is cat, who is the symbol of independence, who does not need somebody to survive. So this was your third and last assignment. Be ready for your exam. Best of luck.